Hi, it's Malcolm here. So, welcome to another vlog. So, today I wanted to show you a little game I play. Now, this could go totally wrong today, or in this particular race, as it sometimes does. I've been kind of doing it on and off all day, but it's kind of a game I call back, lay, or trade. To be honest with you, it's kind of back, possible trade, lay, possible trade. So, it depends on the race and how I look at it, but generally I will try and trade out if I get a good opportunity to do that, or I make the decision beforehand that I'm going to trade the race. That's what I'm actually looking for. But sometimes I look at it and say, well, that's going to be a good back, or that should be a lay, and that will depend on a number of things that I look at. So this particular race, earlier on I thought, earlier this morning that is, I thought this one here, Nara Safe, or whatever it's called, would have a good chance of winning the race. And I thought, well, that might be a good lay trade if the price dropped under 2, which I wasn't sure whether it was going to do or not. It was hard to tell because in the morning it was about 2.9 just before it was made a non-runner. So anyway, that left the race kind of open. In fact, a lot of races have been like this today, where they've been open and there's been lots of runners around the same kind of prices and nothing to actually say, that's the favourite. So anyway, we've ended up with these here. And as you can see, again, apart from this one here, which is 3.25, the rest of them are pretty similar. Well, certainly these three are, and then it kind of goes out to that one right at the outside. But generally, if you look at it, there's not a lot of difference apart from obviously this one here. The reason why this one is better, hard to really tell at the moment. Obviously there's money coming into the market for it. By the way, we're actually it's 17.29 now, so it's just coming up to 5:30. This one doesn't go off a quarter of an hour, and you see that I've actually placed a back bet with this Roman de Brute, and it actually went out as soon as I placed the bet. It went out like it sometimes does, but I'm kind of hoping to trade out before the off, although I might be able to go to into the off, because I think that's a higher price than it probably deserves. I mean, obviously when it gets in running, all sorts of things can happen. As you can see, it's going out again now. So why? Okay, so if we have a look at the race card, this was the obvious favourite, and it's had 3 wins and they're expecting a 4th one. This Roman de Brute, which is the one that I'm actually on, okay, it's kind of like it's got quite a good or quite a reasonable DRS, which is kind of like a amalgamation of all its past results on a similar event. So this is the one that's favourite at the moment, which is 20.95. Okay, it's tipped by 2. This one actually isn't tipped by any. That's why Squire might have come in as well because of that. If we look over here, the Dob average of this one is 29.41. But the one I'm on is actually 64, so it's a lot higher. So that's why I kind of thought, well, it might be a reasonable trade. And we're going to find out whether that's right. Now, I've gone early because although the price, I'll show you why actually. Probably a little bit early, but I'm not too sure. The price has been going out, and it kind of stopped around here and sort of went down, and I thought, well, is it really going to go out that high? Sorry, I might bring that window down a bit. So I wasn't sure. But anyway, I placed the bet. So what I am hoping that within the next 15 minutes the price will drop before the off. Now I've put an automatic bet in the automatic trading, which is this new feature on Betfair, of just 0.40, so a few percentage points of the stake, just to see what happens. As always, I only show £2 stakes when I'm doing anything on camera because I don't want to get into trouble with the Gambling Commission, but you can see that I placed a bet. There it is there, and I obviously don't advise it. This is just for you watching me do something and seeing how it goes. I'm not enticing you or anything else. You know the normal rules. Just sort of showing you something I do for a bit of fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm going to come back about 15 minutes before. Sorry, about a few minutes before, and see what's happened. Unless I trade out before, I just get this feeling that this the 6.2 is probably a little bit high for this runner, and I think it deserves to be further down. I certainly think it is the second favourite, and probably nearer to this leap than it probably is showing. So we will find out whether I'm right or wrong. See you in a little while. Okay, so I'm back a little bit earlier. It's only 17:35, so I've still got 10 minutes. And if I'd have taken my normal 5% of my stake, which I do a lot for trading, I'd have been out by now. And as you can see, I'm actually the price is now dropping, and it's at 28. Whether it's going to make the 0.40, which I was hoping for, I don't know yet. But if I was normally trading, I would certainly have traded out by now, because that's, you know, well into what I normally make on a trade, because I do little trades all the time. That's how I like to trade. If you bought my Betfair cash out trading method, you know. So we're up to 31 now, 36. I think I'm going to hit that 0.40 any second if this carries on doing what it is. So if we have a quick look at that graph, and you can see it's dropping like anything. So whether we make our action, no, it's just gone out again. So maybe not. We'll have to have a let's just wait a few seconds, and then if it kind of goes out again, I'll just stop the video and we'll wait until it's off again. But you know, you can see how close I am with that selection. And you know, if I was, as I said, if I was trading normally, I would just trade out at that kind of profit. That would be I'd be more than happy with that. But it looks like it's kind of now stopped. Yeah, oh no, there I go, I just got it. So I'm now in profit. Your cash out was successful. So I'll do some more videos on this, so you can see some others over the next couple of weeks, and we'll see what else we can come up with. But that's one thing I like doing. Okay, so don't forget to like the video, or join or subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.